The focus in this video will be on the project itself. You'll learn about the components that make a project, additional communication tools the pro has access to, and how the client can interact with the pro by leveraging their Houzz Pro client dashboard. In the last video, you saw the pro's options for interacting with a potential client in Houzz Pro, and how the pro used the CRM tools to qualify and manage new lead inquiries. In the last video, the pro used video meetings, messaging, notes, files, and the 3D floor planning tool. The prospect was happy with the pro's concept for the kitchen remodel and wanted to move forward with the project. The pro converted the qualified lead to a project in Houzz Pro. Let's look at an overview of the newly converted project. There's a lot that the pro can do in Houzz Pro at the project level. If we take a look at the project starting on the left, you can see a list of features. In Houzz Pro, anytime a feature on the list is clicked, the corresponding information will populate on the right. For example, the project overview is highlighted, and on the right, we can see everything that is associated with the overview page, like the quick create links for various features, and a prompt for the pro to create an estimate right here. Next are the quick access buttons for easy document creation. Below that, any recent messages will display. Below messages, the pro can create tasks in a matter of clicks. Tasks are a simple way for a pro to stay on top of key activities at the project level. In addition, tasks can be assigned to team members, subcontractors and vendors, or the client to ensure everyone stays in the know. Tasks help to eliminate a lot of back and forth within different media types like various apps, emails, or texting, keeping the pro organized. Below the Tasks section, the pro can view upcoming events, such as if a deposit is due or if a project deadline is approaching. And the pro can view any files associated with this project. On the far right, the project details can be edited from here. The pro can even select a status for this project to identify where it is in their pipeline and create a custom status if they wanted. The pro has the option to assign this project to a team member, and just like you saw with the lead, the pro can easily view the payment methods from here as well. Moving on from the project overview, the next feature in the list on the left is messages. Here, any messages conducted at the lead level will carry over to the project. The pro can continue the conversation with their client from here, keeping communication all in one place. Next up, the pro can create and manage the project timeline. Pros or team members can add various stages of the project along with due dates. They can format as they see fit and share with others. The great thing about the timeline is it provides a visual representation of the project in a holistic way. Anyone looking at the timeline will see the scope of the project as outlined and organized by the pro. And of course, the timeline can be shared with the client through the client dashboard. Next, we mentioned earlier during the introduction of this training that the takeoff feature is an efficient way to measure plans for building materials and easily convert the pricing for those materials into an estimate. Below the takeoff are the financial documents that the pro has access to. The pro can view the following financial documents: estimates, invoices, change orders, retainers and credits, and purchase orders. In a moment, we will demonstrate how the pro can create and share an estimate with their client, request a deposit, and set up a payment schedule. You'll see more on managing financial documents in the following video in this training series. Moving down the list, you can see files. Any files created at the lead level will transfer to the project once the pro clicks Convert to Project. New files can be uploaded from here, just like with leads. Next is notes. And just like with files, any notes and call logs created at the lead level will transfer to the project once the pro clicks Convert to Project. New notes and call logs can be created from here, just like with leads. The last item on the list is daily logs. Daily logs are helpful when the pro needs to keep track of who they've communicated with throughout the day, or if they just want to quickly keep tabs on or refer back to a certain aspect of the project. We just walked through the general navigation of the project in Houzz Pro. Let's transition to our training scenario. First, we'll recap the pro's journey in Houzz Pro so far, and then we'll discuss the next steps for the pro as they manage their project. To quickly recap, our pro received a lead inquiry from a potential client who booked a video meeting with them. The pro communicated with the lead by using messages and files and generated a 3D floor plan rendering of the kitchen design idea. The pro used notes and call logs to document internal entries regarding the lead as they qualified this lead as a potential client. The pro converted the lead to a project in Houzz Pro. As a reminder, an estimate can be sent from a lead in Houzz Pro, but for the purposes of this training scenario, our pro will be creating an estimate from the projects. With that being said, back on our project in Houzz Pro, next steps for the pro will be to create and share an estimate with their client, request a deposit, and set up a payment schedule. There are two ways the pro can generate an estimate in Houzz Pro, by using a takeoff or by creating an estimate. For this training, our pro is going to opt for creating an estimate using a template with all of the suggested building materials, labor, and expenses required for this kitchen remodel. The estimate will list all of the project expenses and is branded with the pro's company logo. A new estimate can be created from scratch, from a template, or by upload. Pros can customize the template as they see fit. Each line item has additional options and can be reordered. The pro can add files, terms and conditions, and a memo to the estimate. The best part being, all of these items can be saved for a quick and easy creation of estimates in the future, saving the pros valuable time. Our pro requires a 25% deposit for each project and can set up a payment schedule up front. The pro will click Preview and Share to review the estimate before sending to their client. From the Settings drop-down, the pro can adjust pricing information, item details, and enable electronic signature and the Approve per line item feature. The pro's client can click which items they approve or disapprove of. The pro is ready to share. They can print as a PDF or share electronically. The pro updates the custom email details before sending. The estimate has been sent to the client electronically for approval and e-signature. The Estimates feature in Houzz Pro enables faster turnaround time and agreed upon expectations up front. The pro can share the client dashboard for this project through email or by sharing a direct link. You can immediately see that the homeowner has a task to approve the estimate and submit the deposit payment. All messages, financial documents, the project timeline, and shared file attachments will be accessible to the client. Anytime the pro makes an update that affects the client dashboard, the updates will occur in real time, allowing for transparency throughout the project and less back and forth between the pro and the client.